What's up, guys? It's Monday, 28th. It's almost 4 o'clock. It's getting dark already. As you can tell, I'm in my truck. See? Back there's a shit. It's like complete mess back there. I gotta reorganize it, clean it up again. But anyway, since it is raining, like it's off and on rain again, and it's actually, getting darker earlier now, and I just pretty much got home from work. Excuse me. Figured I might as well just do one thing for now, since I can't do the backup alarm. It's cold as hell out too, but that really doesn't bother me that much. But it's because it's getting dark. I can't really do the backup alarm today, so I'll do that a different day. Still gotta change my oil. So I figured I'd do the scanner. Do my scanner. And this might die on me, which means I have to go get a new battery. So we'll see. But pretty much, it's just gonna go right here. Just gotta screw it in. Gotta screw it in right there. It's gonna go in, and I got different antenna and a thing for it. I mean, you could get different antennas and shit for it. Like, this is a weird, like, suction cup, like, window antenna thingy. It's, like, weird. And the way I have this actually powered right now is just through the cigarette lighter plug. But I'm eventually actually going to do this one. And it says that this is actually for permanent, placement. It's really not. This is temporary too, because all you gotta do is just disconnect this, and then you can take this out when you want to remove the scanner or whatnot. So anything that says that, that gives you something like this and says that this is permanent, it's not. It's temporary, because you could just disconnect it and take the wire out, and there you go. Just like my lights, they ain't permanent, and they're all wired like with this. They ain't permanent. All I gotta do is just disconnect them and just take them all out. So nothing's permanent when it comes to wiring in a vehicle, or pretty much I think in just about almost everything, really. Nothing is permanent. Alright? So now I'm just gonna get going and do this. Bear with me. This might die. I don't know. So I'll see what I can do. I'm not gonna do this today because I gotta take this switchboard up to get to the connections that I need to get to, and since it's getting darker out, I'm gonna wait, and because I gotta open up the truck, I gotta kneel on the ground, really like get in there. I'll just wait till another day to do that. So just gonna screw it in and do this antenna. I may actually end up switching this antenna out if I don't like it, which I probably won't, and get a bigger antenna put out in the back on the bed of the truck, which is gonna look really, really awesome. Alright, let's do this. Let's see if this actually works. But I know where that's gonna go. It's gonna go right there. Basically, it's just a bracket. Screw it in, and actually this antenna here, comes off. And what I'm actually gonna eventually do is see that's for an extension speaker, an external speaker. I'm gonna eventually get an external speaker. I most likely will get an external speaker. So unscrew this. See, these unscrew. That way you could move this around, tighten it up, and then also you can attach the bracket to your vehicle. So unscrew that. Come on. And get the bracket. And since I know that this is going to go right there, it's all good. Because right there is where it's going to go. And actually, if you look right here, see, I'm pretty much going to be screwing this directly down in the into the vent. I don't really care. It's just a vent. I don't care.
Station 15, NMBC. About a 4442, Randallville Road. Between Schoolhouse Road and Clark Corner Road. Is there? Station 15, NMBC. About a 4442, Randallville Road. Schoolhouse Road and Clark Corner Road. 821 Max 3 respond in a facility, not alert, difficulty breathing. King of Pike 3542 Little Patriots Boulevard, room 163.
That's all you need. 2 simple screws, and you are good and dandy to go. And you take your scanner, take your screws to hold it in there, and then just put it back in place and screw it up in there nice and tight. Okay, GoPro died. Don't feel like going inside using my phone. Like I said, just make sure these are nice and tight on both sides, and then you are good to go. You are perfect and ready to go. And then all you got to do from there is actually just take the power cord for now and just feel around for it in the back. Plug it in. And just, just turn it on, make sure it works. Adjust the squelch, fix the squelch back to what it's supposed to be at, and turn it back off. And then get the antenna out and get ready to hook up the antenna.
Medic 9 respond, difficulty breathing 10, Thatcher Drive, Sherwood Forest, 16 Bay.
It's a weird antenna, which wasn't what I had expected it to be, but it is a weird ass antenna. And it says to put it in the far right corner, so it's gonna go like here. Fix up the suction cup.
State 16 Medical Assist, 314 Medic 7, CVA 9, Villageport, Greenbrier Village Townhouse.
Make sure it sticks. Make sure it actually, suctions in there. Which I don't think that's really gonna suction in there as well. And actually, it still has to get moved down. Like, it has to go all the way down there. This is weird as hell. I can tell you already that I do not like this antenna. I can tell you that already. I do not like this antenna. Which means I will be changing this antenna. changing this antenna because I do not like it at all.
So 16, 12, 39.
But there's pretty much, you know, what it's supposed to look like. It's
2159.
weird as hell. I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all, I really don't. So I'm definitely gonna end up changing it. And then you just pretty much gotta just run it, you know, like down. It says to run it down, and then to wherever it is. So I'll be running it down and then back up. I'll be running it down and back up. So, alright, I'll catch you in like a few seconds or so. Alright. Alright. Okay, then once you get it all, you know, run down here, I don't know if you guys can see it, probably not, 'cause it seems to be really, really dark. But once you see it, like there's a zip tie for it, this is the wire here, then you just kind of come up, run it to here, and then I just wrapped it around right there, and here it is. And this just gets just like this, right back here, right on there like that. Boom. Connected. Done. Finito. Take that off. Good. Done. Finito. Alright. So, that's done. Like I said, I'm probably going to end up getting a new one. New antenna. Different antenna because I don't like this. Alright, so, see you guys. Until, I guess, probably tomorrow. Alright? Peace.